Stop wasting time writing endless blog posts that disappear into a sea of 7 million published every single day. Now imagine this instead. Launching AI tools that bring traffic, loyal users, and sales fast. AI tools are a game changer. Google indexes them 70% faster. Users stay 2.5x longer than on blogs. And they drive 40% more return visits. Big brands like Canva and Ahrefs use tools to pull in millions of organic visitors monthly. And guess what? You can too. With AI tools, there's low competition, high potential, and endless possibilities. Stop chasing Google rankings the hard way. Start dominating with tools. We'll handle everything: content, design and development, SEO and promotion, and even bug testing and updates. Don't let competitors beat you to it. Many still ignore AI. This is your chance to leap ahead without working harder. Book a free consultation right now on unmiss.com.